Unraveling Setting Things Right, a guide to understanding and application. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even movies. Setting things right. It's a phrase packed with meaning and action, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your communication skills. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the essence and applications of setting things right. Setting things right is a phrase that embodies the idea of correcting mistakes or making amends for wrongdoings. It involves taking actions to restore balance or harmony in a situation that has been disturbed by errors, misunderstandings, or injustices. The essence of this phrase lies in the recognition of a deviation from what is considered just, fair, or appropriate, and the subsequent effort to rectify that situation to ensure fairness, justice, or satisfaction is restored. The meaning of setting things right can vary significantly depending on the context in which it is used. It might refer to personal relationships, where one seeks to apologize and mend a friendship after a misunderstanding. In a professional setting, it could mean correcting a mistake in a project or addressing a customer's complaint satisfactorily. The phrase also finds its place in broader societal or ethical discussions, where it might involve rectifying injustices or contributing to social change. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning and implication of the phrase. Let's look at a few examples to see how setting things right can be used in different scenarios. Personal relationships. After realizing he had forgotten their anniversary, John spent the day setting things right by planning a surprise evening for his partner. Professional environment. The company aimed to set things right with its customers by offering refunds and assurances after the product recall. Societal context. The new legislation aims at setting things right for those who have been unfairly treated by the previous law. These examples illustrate the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied across various aspects of life. Setting things right involves a few critical steps. 1. Acknowledgement of the mistake or wrongdoing. 2. Understanding the impact of the actions that led to the situation. 3. Taking responsibility and action to correct the mistake or make amends. 4. Ensuring communication and closure with those affected. It's about proactive engagement and sincerity in addressing and resolving the issue at hand. Setting things right is more than just a phrase. It's an action, a commitment, and sometimes, a journey towards rectification and healing. Whether in personal life, work, or society, understanding and applying this concept can lead to positive changes and stronger relationships. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and impact of setting things right. Thank you for joining us, and remember, it's never too late to make amends and steer situations towards a positive outcome.